All right, guys, I just received this thing in the mail and wanted to do a quick little review of it. It is evening time out here on the front porch. Perfect time for some mosquitoes to come out and for us to chill out here. So let me take this out of the box and show you what it does. This is what the unit looks like. It comes with a little USB charger. You can hang it like this. It has several different functions, so let me show you them. There are several buttons around it. When you press this one, this turns on an internal light and also, I guess, electrifies the cage inside there to kill mosquitoes. The button over here turns on a spotlight. This thing is super bright, so if you're camping, very helpful for that. Press it again and it flashes. Press it a third time and the outer part lights up, so you can hang it somewhere, use it as a lantern. So, hey Millie, do you see the lantern? And if you press it one more time, it has a little bit dimmer. So it has two different brightnesses. And after it's been lit up for a while, you can see it kind of even glows in the dark there. And over here on this side is a little cover for the USB charging. So we're just gonna sit out here on the porch this evening as it gets dark and see how this thing does. So it creates a nice light at night. It's not really annoying. It just gives you some light to see by, and you can see that it has already started to attract and kill some bugs in there. This thing is waterproof, so you can turn it off and rinse it off, and that's how you get all the bugs out. So yeah, seems like a nice little product. So after using this, you can see that there are some bugs in here that it killed, and this thing is water resistant. So you can just go ahead and use a hose outside or even inside and just rinse it off. And here we go. It is like new again. Now this thing does not have a ton of power. It's not going to kill all of the bugs around you, but it is super convenient just to have out on the porch with you, give you a little bit of light, and attract some of the bugs away from you when you're sitting out on the porch. So I hope this was helpful. Check out a link to it in the description if you're interested in one. And thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next video.